Right, hello guys, another Blade Productions, video 2 of the Centurion version 1.2 programming sequence. If you can remember, this was our first programming sheet where I told you about all the fuses and all the inputs and all the settings and everything, the physical hardware of a PC board. Well, that one was video 1. Right, so let's go on to video 2, and this is a little bit more of the basic programming that you would need as a DIY enthusiast. Right, let's see, what did we explain? Set button is the basic button that you're going to use to program your whole motor. You got your set link. Alright, so step 1, you take off your AC power, that's your AC. You take off your DC power. You don't have to take it off here, you can physically just take it off on the battery, that little terminals underneath the PC board. You can just take one of them off with the AC, so your whole PC board will be dead. You put your set link jumper on, put your AC or your DC back, preferably your DC, as you're going to need this to physically program your motor, because your drive shaft is physically running on DC. So AC is going to give you the power to do the basic programming, but if you need to set limits or anything where the motor physically needs to move, you're going to need DC power. So leave the AC out and just start with DC. Right, L1, that's your light. L1 is the light that you'll use to get yourself into this menu, and status is the light that you'll use to get yourself into the sub menu. Okay, if you want to set your limits on your gate, you're going to basically take off your power, put your set link on, then you push your set or your test button till L1 flashes once. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the basic sequence in which we're going to work. But 1 is your programming sequence to set your limits on your gate. So you press it once and your light is going to flash once. You leave your button, you press it and hold it till status flashes once, then your gate is going to start moving. So your gate has to open first, close, open again, close, and then it's going to open, it's going to stop a little bit off the center of the gate. That's your pedestrian opening. So 1 and 1, that's your programming sequence. Alright, if you finish with your gate setup, you push your set button again, 1, 1, 2, then you leave your button, then you say 1 for on, 1, 2 for off. So 2 is auto close, on and off. Okay, so 1 represents on the status lights on, 2 represents off. So 1, 2 and 1 is auto close on, 1, 2 and 1, 2 is off. Alright, 3, 1, 2, 3 on your L1 light represents auto close time. You leave your button after your third flash and you press your button again, and for every flash on the status light, that represents a second, how long the gate is going to stay open. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you continue 30, 45, 60 seconds. You leave it once you're happy with the time that you achieved. And that's your basic programming in this video introduction. Your programming of your limits and your auto close. Okay, you remove your set link once you're done, and you put your AC back on. You don't have to remove your DC again, you just put your AC back on, and you press your test button once. Your relay is going to say click, you press it again and your gate will start moving. That's your basic introduction to programming your limits and your auto open and close times. So next video we'll go over to collision control and to sensitivity and positive close mode. But until then, Blade Productions with another production to help you as a DIY enthusiast. Enjoy!